Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some Bob and Pixie haircut ideas. So the stylist starts off with very long hair with the client. I would say probably about mid-back length or so. And the stylist has cut the hair into a beautiful lob and also added some highlights. Now what I love about this hairstyle is that she does have that undercut trend going on with the shaven portion of the hair, but she can easily hide it if she wants to because her hair is so long. And she still has so much volume within her hair as well. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And we move on to transformation number 2. This one is going to feature a bob haircut. Looks like she ended up getting a beautiful inverted bob style, complete with bangs in the front. And then the next hair transformation starts off with someone with mid-length hair. And it looks like she got a nice, simple, chic lob haircut. The stylist curled the hair and added some texture with the waves. Beautiful. So moving on to the next hair transformation, she starts off with a brunette colored pixie. Looks like she decided to go with like a blonde color. And also rocking the shaven hair trend, very pretty. Next up, we have another short hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting more of a pixie shape. The stylist ended up doing a beautiful asymmetrical pixie haircut. So if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.